Yes, the best approach in the world. Because on YouTube, everyone solve this problem with critical way, like fancy code. But I will solve it such a simple way that even a sleepy potato will understand. In this problem, vector F flexing with a strength of 600 Newton. Basically, I mean to say, question gives F vector equal to 600 Newton. From the cinematic drawing, we will hand down the secret home address of ABCD. Basically, we have to find out the coordinate point of ABCD. Now you have to understood the position of point A. A is only height displacement, which is 4 meter. Height, this is height of A from the origin, upper side. Question gives this 4. There are no x displacement and y displacement, only height exchange 4. Okay, because O is the origin and A exactly upper portion of O. There are no left, no right, no y, only z axis. Okay. Now look at the point C. What is the coordinate of C? Wait, at first this is the positive x according to the question. This is the negative x according to the question. Okay. To C coordinate x displacement check 3 meter. This equal to this. To x coordinate is 3. Right? Minus 3 because of negative axis. Y displacement is 4 in the positive y axis, along the positive y axis. So minus 3 comma 4. C point basically plane on the page, no height, so height is 0. This is the coordinate of C. Now question says that point B exactly in right in the middle portion of AC. Question gives, not I am giving you. So you have to find the coordinate of B. B is the midpoint of AC. So B's coordinate is A plus C divided by 2. That means 0 minus 3 divided by 2, comma, this is x coordinate. 0 plus 4 divided by 2. This is the y coordinate. And what will be the z coordinate? 4 plus 0 divided by 2. I think you understood what I mean to say. Then calculate the B. Anyways, now we have to catch BD's position vector. That is, you can find the position vector of BD after using the coordinate A, B, D. Only B and D. You can use B point and D point. So position vector of D. At first we find D coordinate. What is the D coordinate? Okay. This is positive x. What displacement? 4 plus 4. Question gives positive x and plus 4. So x coordinate is 4 of D point. Okay. Now let's find y coordinate. 4 comma. What is y? Simply and easy. 6 meter along positive y. So plus 6. What is the z? Z is 0. No height. D is plane on the page. So height displacement is 0. That is 4, 6, 0 is the coordinate of D position. Okay. So thank you. Now we have to catch the position of BD. BD vector position, you have to find it. Already we know how to find it. If you know, then go and watch my theoretical portion. BD vector equal to D vector minus B vector, second minus first. Okay, BD, D is the second and first of the B. So D vector minus B vector. Basically coordinate of D vector minus coordinate of B vector. That means 4 minus of minus 1.5. That is actually plus. 4 minus of minus plus. Then 8 minus 2. 6 minus 2. then 0 minus 2. This is the coordinate of BD position vector. You can return us with I cap, J cap, K cap as your wish. You can return us 5.5 I cap, 4 J cap, minus 2 K cap, anyway. Okay. So, how big is BD? Basically, we are asking, hey BD, how long are you, bro? I mean to say, what is the length of BD? The length of BD, just square, add and under root, boom, pop out the answer. This is the length of the BD, not question's answer. Okay. So 5.5 square plus 4 square plus minus 2 square. Calculate and simplify. 7.088 is the length of BD. Now find the unit vector standing tail and drop that answer in the comment section like a pro. Maybe we will look Da Vinci Code. We know that unit vector equal to position vector divided by length. What is the position vector? 5.5 I plus 4j then minus 2k cap, I cap, j cap, k cap. You can return us by coordinate, whatever you want. Do man, but don't trouble anything. Divided by magnitude 7.088. I think you understand. Okay, let's calculate. So U cap equal to 0.776 I cap plus 0.565 J cap minus 0.282 K cap. This is the answer of U cap. I mean to say value of unit vector or U cap. Okay. If you have any problem with this problem, then drop your comment in my YouTube comment section. I will discuss next lecture. So finally, final step is coming. Final step, what actually we find? According to the question, we find F into U cap, means force into unit vector. This is the question actually. Force is 600 Newton. Putting the value of unit vector, which is 0.776 I cap plus 0.565 J cap minus 0.282 K cap, and calculate, we will get the answer. Everywhere, maximum everywhere on the YouTube doing this wrong calculation, but my calculation exactly right, exactly proper, clean. Okay, this is the line. Okay, so if you calculate and simplify this, the pop out answer is 465.6 J cap. This is real answer. In other YouTubes I am watching, they will 475.6, which is wrong. Original answer 465.6 J cap plus 339 J cap and minus 169 K cap. This is the final answer. So thank you very much. See you next lecture.